the most depressed person of the family. It's not mother, not father, not daughters. It's the eldest son. The eldest son carries the rage no one often notices. He was raised to be the pillar, to be strong enough to absorb everyone's burdens, yet never fragile enough to break under them. Expectations became his inheritance, the quiet, suffocating kind. It weighed heavier than his own dreams. He is the one who must succeed, provide, protect, and never falter. But in the process of becoming everyone's safety net, he lost the right to fall himself. He suffers in silence, because saying "I'm not okay" feels like